A horizontally opposed engine, also known as a boxer engine, consists of pistons that move toward each other in a horizontal direction, much like boxers throwing punches. Subaru remains committed to using this horizontally opposed design. The reason is because the boxer engine comes with many inherent advantages. Low center of gravity, inline engine, V engine, boxer engine. The boxer engine has a lower center of gravity than an inline engine or V engine, and it is this lower center of gravity that gives rise to better stability. Low vibrations mean low noise. The boxer engine has minimal vibrations and simply outstanding durability.